Welcome to Exams Trending GK. Which programming language is known as mother of all languages? The right answer is option B, C program. Question number 2. Which of these is a secondary storage device? And the right answer is hard disk. Question number 3. Which shortcut key is used to copy a file in Windows? The right answer is Ctrl plus C. Question number 4. What does www stand for in website addresses? The right answer is option C, World Wide Web. Question number 5. What is the binary number system based on? The right answer is option A, 2 digits. Question number 6. The full form of URL is? The right answer is Uniform Resource Locator. Question number 7. Which part of the computer is known as the brain of the computer? The right answer is option A, CPU. Question number 8. MS Word is a type of? The right answer is application software. Question number 9. What does RAM stand for? The right answer is random access memory. And the last question, question number 10. Which of the following is not an input device? The right answer is monitor. Thank you and best wishes. Kindly subscribe to Exams Trending GK. Please like, share and subscribe.